Hi guys, today I want to show you how to change your shortcut keys in Premiere Pro CC. I usually use Ctrl K to make a cut. As you can see, it makes a cut just like that. But Ctrl K is in a place that is not easy to move your left hand to press the two keys. So I want to change that to another shortcut key. Meanwhile, you could also look at many other shortcut keys that you might not been aware of, all in one place. So what you got to do is to go to the edit, then you need to go to keyboard shortcuts. You could also press Ctrl Alt K to get to the same place. Once you're here, you can see different presets, Premiere Pro presets, the older version, CS6, and Media Composer, Final Cut Pro, all that stuff, all that good stuff. But we want to just make our own custom shortcut key in this case, or view what's there. In this example, I will go to Sequence and I will go to Add Edit. Then I can just close that. The funny thing is that you need to click on somewhere else and then come back and click on Add Edit and then click here and then put your shortcut key. In this example, I would like to change it to Ctrl D because it's easy for my finger, but be aware of that this message says that if you change it to Ctrl key, you lose the already applied Ctrl D, which is used for applying video transition. So you will miss that, but be aware that you'll miss that. If you don't use that shortcut key anyways, why not to change that Ctrl D to that? But if you're not happy, just undo it and choose another one. But I'm gonna go ahead with this as it is. And it says custom, so that's a new file that will be generated. You could save as and so that if you move to another computer or in the future, you could still use the same shortcut keys, because once you get used to them, then you are used to them and it's lovely. Just keep using the same shortcut keys. Okay, now this is applied, then click on OK. So if I come back here and press Ctrl D, it makes the same cut instead of Ctrl K. As easy as that, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my other tutorials on Premiere Pro. There is a lot of videos I made to make you more productive. Stay safe and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.